Hello students, welcome to maths class. Students, in chapter factors and multiples, we have already done topic divisibility rules, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, multiples of a number, common multiples, and LCM of two numbers by long division method. Today I will discuss with you how to find LCM of three numbers by long division method. To understand this topic, let's take some examples. Example number 1. Find the LCM of 4, 6 and 10. Now students, I have to find the LCM of three numbers. So, for finding the LCM of three numbers, firstly, arrange these numbers in a row. Now students, divide the numbers by the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the numbers. Now, students, as you know, 4, 6 and 10. These are even numbers. So that means these numbers are divisible by 2. So we will take 2 as a divisor. Now on 2 table 4 comes on 2. 2 2s are 4. So below 4 I will write 2. 2 2s are 4. On 2 table 6 comes on 3. 2 3s are 6. So below 6 write down 3. 2 3s are 6. On 2 table 10 comes on 5. 2 5s are 10. So below 10 write down 5. Now students, 2 is a prime number. So divide 2 by 2. On 2 table 2 comes on 1. So below 2 write down 1. 2 1s are 2. On 2 table 3 doesn't come. That means 3 is not divisible by 2. So bring down 3 as it is. In the same way, 5 is not divisible by 2. So bring 5 down as it is. Now 3 is a prime number. So divide 3 by 3. On 3 table 3 comes on 1. Now below 1 write down 1. On 3 table 3 comes on 1. So below 3 1 will come. On 3 table 5 doesn't come. So bring 5 down as it is. 5 is a prime number. So divide 5 by 5. After dividing 5 by 5, we get 1. Because on 5 table 5 comes on 1. Now students, that means LCM is equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Now do multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. That means 60 is the LCM of 4, 6 and 10. Now students, let's take one more example to understand it properly. Example number 2. Find the LCM of 5, 7 and 9. Now students, I have to find out the LCM of these three numbers. So firstly, arrange these numbers in a row. Now divide the numbers by the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the numbers. Now students, you can see here 5, 7 and 9. All these numbers are odd numbers. That means these numbers are not divisible by 2. So we will not take 2 as a divisor. Now think about the next prime number. Next prime number is 3. Now 5 is not divisible by 3. 7 is also not divisible by 3. But 9 is divisible by 3. That means I will take 3 as a divisor. Now write here 3. On 3 table 5 doesn't come, so bring it down as it is. On 3 table 7 doesn't come, so bring 7 down as it is. On 3 table 9 comes, and it comes on 3. 3 3s are 9. So below 9 write down 3. Now students, 3 is a prime number. So divide 3 by 3. Right here 3. Now 5 is not divisible by 3. So bring it down as it is. In the same way, 7 is not divisible by 3. So bring it down as it is. 3 is divisible by 3. On 3 table 3 comes on 1. 3 1s are 3. So below 3 you will write 1. Now 5 is a prime number. So divide 5 by 5. After dividing 5 by 5 we get 1. So below 5 write down 1. 7 is not divisible by 5. So bring it down as it is. Below 1, 1 will come. Now 7 is a prime number. So divide 7 by 7. On 7 table 7 comes on 1. That means LCM is equals to 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Now students, do multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Now 45 7s are, we don't know. So for finding the 45 7s are, we will do multiply. 45 7s are, 7 5s are 35. Write 5 here and 3 above 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 31. That means LCM is equals to 315. So students, today we have learnt how to find the LCM of 3 numbers. I hope now you are able to do the related homework that we have sent to you in your SNAP homework. But students, before starting the homework, please go through the YouTube links that we have already given to you in your SNAP homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.